In this problem, we're looking at 4.8 number 8, which is the top problem shown here. Total sales of a video game after the year 2000 increase in a logarithmic fashion. That means they grew most quickly in the earlier years, but over time the growth rate leveled off. The table below shows the sales in thousands of the game from 2000 to 2010. Use x equals 1 equals or as 2000 and calculate the logarithmic regression model for the data. Use the model to predict the sales in 2015. Round the coefficients in your regression equation to 3 decimal places and round the sales to the nearest thousand. Okay, so here's our data there. So you see it's this 2000 will be 1, 2001 is 2, and 3, 4, all the way across to 11. And we're going to put this in our Desmos table, which I did here. So I just want to show you that there. Here's the data all put in there. We start with 1 and it goes up to 11. So I'm going to hide that for a second. There's our curve graphed. There's the data points graphed. So when I'm going to use the regression analysis, and this was what's just amazing with Desmos, how powerful it is, that it's so quick and simple. Once you know the format for the regression type, then it's pretty easy to put in. So it's y1 is approximately, and that tilde button is hit shift, and then the button to the left of the 1, that's on my keyboard, it gives you the tilde. So I'm always going to use the tilde wherever it might be on your keyboard. So it's approximately a plus b natural log of x1. Now I want to be clear, this y1 references the y1 up here, and this x1 represents the x1 here. So you have to have the x1 and y1 for it to give you this calculation, which is just amazingly quick, and it's also easy to fix compared to what if you were in one of the TI regression analysis. So I can't stress enough how cool this is. So anyway, that gives you this format here. A is 148.324, B is 32.7637, and the problem is this doesn't exactly line up with what's the answer in Desmos. However, when I put it in that format, and then it asks for part B, says, so you should see here, it says in year, find what's going to be in 2015. Well, notice that 2000 it was 1, 2001 is 2, all the way 2010 is 11. So in 5 more years, that'd be 16. So I went to 16. I put 16 in place of x, and it came up with the answer. And this answer does align with what is in Desmos 239.16, but they just do the nearest thousand there, or nearest whole number. So that's the number of thousands. So that's how it works. I hope that helps, and kind of a fun process, especially with such a free tool in Desmos. Okay.